girls, Serafina and Matai. Best way to tell them apart, well, the grumpy one is typically Matai, but if you look at the...
At the Wildlife Safari Park, we were lucky enough to get to participate in feeding the lions, alligators, hippo, and giraffes.
It was so amazing to have the opportunity to be able to put food in their cages and be able to get so close to them.
Yeah, giraffes can run about 25 miles an hour. Of Africa. The 4 different species do not cross at all in Africa naturally. They would not see each other.
It was so much fun to see the different species of giraffes and learn about them. Good job, buddy!
There you go, buddies. Here, Killian, give him this.
Good job, buddy! There we go.
A rhino!
Over here, buddy. Just gonna say, you got it? There you go. It was so much fun to hang out and feed these big guys.
She's a good girl.
That are rooted in what we call husbandry behaviors. So that's just a fancy way of saying it helps us take care of them, since they are very large creatures and we can't make them do anything that they do not want to do. Yeah, exactly. But it's not always serious down here at the farm if we like to have fun. Valerie's showing off her little dance moves there by shaking her little booty.
Oh my gosh, how cute!
I loved learning that all the things they have them do is to help them with their care. Because like they said, they're not going to do anything they don't want to do. The white car you see here is the babysitter of the giraffes. Look, I get snacks.
Yeah, he's just so really friendly and soft friends.
Actually, and by coming on this encounter, you actually are helping cheetahs in the wild, because part of the proceeds that go towards these encounters actually go to help us support 3 of our conservation funds that we support every year. And one of them is Cheetah Conservation Botswana. And basically what they do is they pair livestock. They pair ranchers with livestock guardian dogs. And so that which basically scare the cheetahs away, scare the predators away, so it helps reduce that human-wildlife conflict by reducing the predation on livestock. And there's this curry. And also cheetahs also too have binocular vision, so if you
Wildlife Safari boasts one of the top cheetah breeding research centers outside of Africa. It was Frank Hart's goal to create a facility in the Pacific Northwest that would work to save more rare and endangered species from all over the world. "50 years later, Wildlife Safari has grown into an internationally recognized nonprofit park dedicated to conservation and education.
Stay here. You can walk a little closer, but don't too close. Okay? You say hi?
Hi.
Don't put your fingers in there. No, no, no. He's curious about you, but you got to keep your fingers over here, okay?
This is the only drive-through animal park in Oregon. You can get up close to ostrich, Watusi cattle, lions, and zebras. You can see hippos, elephants, camels, emus, cranes, flamingos, and more. Even though the emu looks intense, we had so much fun getting up and close with them. They definitely know where the snacks are.
If you want to go on more adventures with us, hit that like and subscribe.